Today, the YST plant is one of the largest steel wheels production facilities for passenger cars and light commercial vehicles in Russia. The capacity is 1.5 million wheels per year in more than 100 sizes. Currently, the plant is producing wheels of Trebel, Arrivo, Steger, SDT, and other well-known brands for European and American companies. Finished products are supplied to customers in Russia, CIS, Europe, USA, Canada, as well as to OEM plants. The warehouse stock is constantly being replenished to ensure a continuous production process. All wheels are manufactured with high-quality Russian and European raw materials. To reduce production risks associated with human errors, each production stage is managed by automated controllers with programmed operation algorithms. The entire four-line production process is as automated as possible. A rim is produced from coil steel on a rim line by going through a series of operations: blanking, coiling, direct welding, seam treatment, beading, and shaping. To check the tightness of the rim's welded seam and control the axial and radial runout of the wheels, the manufacturing process features specialized automatic machines built into production lines, allowing to immediately detect all defects and automatically exclude products with deviations. A wheel is manufactured from steel on a wheel line. The process includes operations like blanking, piercing, flanging, and shaping of mounting, hub, and ventilation holes. Then, the rim and wheel are pressed and welded based on the model size. Modern 4-spot welding machine with automatic control system by Panasonic creates correct welding modes and ensures the wheel is reliably mounted to the rim. The E-coat and paint line features high-capacity Italian equipment and materials supplied from European and American companies to ensure the high-quality coating. All paint and production materials used on the E-coat and paint line are analyzed in the chemical laboratory for compliance with parameters necessary for high-quality painting, which are specified in the regulatory and technical documentation. The laboratory specialists thoroughly check the thickness and quality of coating with an electronic thickness and adhesion checker. Before going to mass production, test samples of new wheel models are tested for torsional bending and rolling on special stands. The first stand simulates transverse forces influencing the wheel when a vehicle is moving along a curved path, while the second stand creates the stress that occurs in the wheel when a vehicle is moving on a straight line. The quality check is an integral part of the production process, from model design to tests in the plant's laboratory. Automated packing line speeds up preparation of wheels for shipment. Reliable and durable package protects wheels against damages and severe environmental conditions while preserving an exquisite look of the delivered wheels. Thanks to first-class raw materials, modern automated equipment, experienced staff, and integrated quality management system, the YST plant guarantees the reliability of its products, which is also proven by the relevant certificates. steel wheels produced in Russia are becoming more popular every day. The YST plant constantly improves, achieves extraordinary results, and makes high-quality steel wheels for cars all over the world.